start over. I just thought you could do it off of what I already had it on there. Oh, okay. I'm just wondering if it's because it's not signed on, like you're signed on to your email. Like if I signed on to my email and then signed on, it doesn't.
Did you go see your grandma? Did you go see your grandma today?
I don't think so. She's just sitting here behind me.
Look, you can pick him up. Sit down. You can pick him up.